You know, somebody asked me why I'm always smiling and chuckling in my videos. It's because I'm shy and nervous when I'm doing voiceovers. I feel like y'all are looking at me. I know it sounds weird. But anyway, let's make this blueberry iced tea super delicious, refreshing. It's the summertime. It is hot. Let's get into it. So these are the blueberries that I'm using. I got these frozen blueberries from the Aldi grocery store. You want to add some sugar. We're making a blueberry syrup here, and some water. Cook it down. Once it's cold in your spoon, you want to shut it off. You don't want it to reduce too far because this is the first thing you're making and it's going to be sitting, and it's going to thicken up. So do not go too far with reducing this. This is the iced tea that I'll be using. I got the, just generic store brand, but you can get the one that you prefer or the one that you can find in your neighborhood. So I'm adding about 5 bags and I'm adding some water. Don't even ask me why it's in a bowl. As a matter of fact, ask me in the comments so we can laugh together, okay? Also, tell me why as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm realizing that that box said cold brew. So I didn't even need hot water. Y'all, I'm telling you, bro. Stress and mommy brain will take you clean up out of your common sense. I promise you. Anyway, you want to add your tea to some water, dilute it down with some water because, of course, that was concentrated. Next, you're going to add you want to strain your blueberry syrup down in here. Oh, my God, that took me clear out. But anyway, and then I'm going to start adding my limes. You can add as much limes as you want. I think I added 6. I could have added more because I love like that tart flavor. But this drink was so good, refreshing, easy to make. And don't make the mistakes I made. Don't go boiling no water, child. Let's follow directions. Let's read boxes. Let's not find out how you make iced tea while doing a voiceover. Okay? So you want to pour this up into a glass filled with ice. Look how beautiful that color is. That's from the blueberries, of course. And I hope you guys give this a try. If you enjoyed this video, tag me, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. Y'all, I am a mess. Okay, y'all need to be following me too on social media. Why y'all ain't following me? All right, bye, y'all.